Narana students, welcome to you all. So let's begin this session by learning little more about pronouns. Let's read the sentences on the screen. That is, Sandy has lost the kite that belonged to Sandy. Therefore, Sandy is going to the market. Sandy is going to buy another kite. So you see that repeating the noun that is Sandy in every sentence is listening awkward, does it? Yes, of course it is. So once we have established the noun that is Sandy, the name of a boy, we can replace it with pronoun to avoid the repetition of the noun. Because pronouns are used to replace noun in a sentence, so hence we can say these sentences. Sandy is lost the kite that belonged to him. Therefore, he is going to the market. He is going to buy another kite. We saw that pronouns replace noun to avoid repetition. Pronoun stands for first person, second person and third person pronoun. Let's see the first person pronoun. The first person pronoun is the person speaking. In this category, we have pronouns are I, me and mine, which used for singular noun, and we, for us and our used for plural form. For example, let's see this sentence. I am going. Please give me my umbrella. No, that is not mine. Here we can see the use of pronouns I, me, mine for singular nouns, because here I am talking about just one person. Let's see the example of pronoun. We had a very good time. Robert showed us around the house and told us that it was ours. The pronouns we, us and ours used for plural nouns. The second person is the person spoken to. In this category, we have pronouns such as you and yours, which can be used for both singular and plural form of pronouns. For example, take these sentences. You are welcome to stay in the hotel. That room is yours. Here the pronoun you and yours are used for singular noun. Another example is, how many of you are there in this section? The classroom is yours. The pronoun you and yours are used for plural noun. The third person pronoun is the person spoken of. This category includes pronouns he, she, it, his, hers and him, used for singular nouns, and they, theirs, its and them used for plural nouns. So, see the example of third person pronoun is, that is Rahul. He owns a luxury yacht. That boat belongs to him. See those people on the deck. They are guests of his. We are going to interview them. In the sentence, they, his and them are the plural form of pronouns under the category of third person pronouns. Here you can see all the examples at a glance of first person, second person pronoun, and this is third person pronoun. So let's do the exercise related to this chapter. So fill the blanks with the appropriate pronouns. The sentences are, that girl is Naomi, dash, has a younger brother, dash, live in a bungalow. Ramesh and I are friends, dash, often play together. That ball is dash. The guards found the boy playing in the park, dash, asked, dash, a few questions. What will be the correct pronoun for these sentences? The answer will be, that girl is Naomi. She has a younger brother. They live in a bungalow. Ramesh and I are friends. We often play together. That ball is mine. The guards found the boy playing in the park. They asked him a few questions. So, thank you so much and hope you understand the pronoun. Thank you so much.